Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials so you don't chase symptoms. Check Roku system and channel updates now. Outdated software often breaks live TV. Once done, restart the player using settings system power or unplug the box for 10 seconds. This clears temporary glitches. Inspect HDMI cable and TV input. Loose connections cause blank or stuttering channels. Make sure the TV volume and external speakers are set correctly so you can confirm audio is present before moving on. Next, focus on network and channel level causes because live TV depends on steady streaming. Run Roku's built-in network check to measure speed and latency. Low Mbps or high packet loss explains buffering. If needed, reboot modem and router. Power off 60 seconds, then power on. This often restores DHCP and DNS. After network is stable, remove and reinstall the live TV channel, which forces a fresh cache and credentials exchange. If an app offers a reset, use it to finish. You verify the fix with a systematic test. Tune several live channels and play on-demand content to confirm both streaming paths work. If only one fails, the provider or channel app is at fault. If problems persist after all other steps, perform a factory reset only after backing up account info because this erases settings. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, gather diagnostic facts, Roku model, software version, exact error messages, and network speeds. Then contact the channel provider or Roku support for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.